Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to read our worksheet number 1. In worksheet number 1, we are going to learn about pronoun. What is a pronoun? Its definition is a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. It means that it is a word that is used in place of a noun. You don't have to use the noun or the name of any person, place, or thing again and again. Rather, you have to or you can use the pronoun instead of noun. Its examples are we, you, I, they, them, their, me, that, those, which, whose, etc. ऐसे सब वर्ड्स जो कि आप चीज़ों के नेम्स की जगह पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बजाय इसके कि आप रेपिटिशन करें। किसी भी टेक्स्ट में आप बार बार नेम्स रिपीट करने की बजाय एक बार नेम मेंशन करते हैं, उसके बाद आप इस तरह के वर्ड्स जैसे कि वी, यू, ही, शी, इट, दे, इस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज़ करके आप उस नाउन की तरफ इशारा कर सकते हैं। तो इस टाइप के सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन। Question number 1 is complete the given sentences using correct pronoun. My brother is a college student. Dash will graduate next year. Its options are him, his, he, and their. The correct option is he. He will graduate next year. Number 2. Where should I put these cups? Should I put dash on the table? Options are him, them, it, and her. And the correct option is them. Third one is the people in the restaurant are ordering food. Dash look hungry. Options are they, it, we, and she. The correct option is they. They look hungry. Number 4, I have a problem with question number 4. Could you please help me? The word me will be used in blank, but the options were him, I, me, and she, and we have selected me. Number 5, my friend and I had a great time. Dash really enjoyed the movie. Options are we, he, us, and they. And the correct option is we. We really enjoyed the movie. This is our question number 1. And here are 5 MCQs in this question. Now you have to learn this question. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks below to complete the sentences. Do you know that man? Do you know dash? In this blank, we will use him. Do you know him? Number 2, my friend and I have money. Dash can go shopping. The word is we. We will use we in this blank. We can go shopping. Third one is she gave dash a birthday gift. I really like it. The word is me. Number 4, my brother is studying because dash has a test tomorrow. The word is he. He has a test tomorrow. Next one is my sister isn't there. Dash is at work. We will use she in this blank. She is at work. Next is who is she? Do you know dash? We will use her. Do you know her? Next, I almost never eat junk food because dash isn't healthy. We will use it. It isn't healthy. Next one is I'm busy right now. Could you please call dash after an hour? The word is me. Could you please call me after an hour? Next is dinosaurs were very large, but dash all died millions of years ago. The word is they. They all died millions of years ago. The last one is we gave him the money and he gave dash the candy. And the word is us. He gave us the candy. And this question is completed.